Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat 500, guys, generation from year 2008 to year 2022 currently. If you need to remove the engine cover underneath, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. The under engine cover, also known as splash shield, all that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos and we can keep saving you money. For any of you that need to buy any parts tools for your Fiat and you want to save even more on parts and tools, check out, guys, the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So, what do you need to do next? We need to come under the car, it's lifted, you can see, always safely lifted. If you're using a jack, always use jack stands. I recommend 2 minimum, because if the jack fails, the car will smash you guys. So, what we have here specifically, let's explain. This is the engine undercover that we'll start removing with a 10mm socket now, one by one. One bolt out. On the other side, the same bolt as well. Here we have some towards the back. Always wear eye protection because dirt sand can fall from that thing and it can get in your eyes. Pull it out, you can see, and that engine cover underneath came out. Okay, you can see just like that. That's a little bit of an oil leak from the oil filter when we replaced. We spilled some oil, it's almost impossible. Let me show you what it looks like now here. Okay, you can see this is the exhaust, oxygen sensors. You have the oil pan and all that stuff. So that's it, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you that need to remove the engine undercover. If you need any help with anything on that Fiat, let us know. We'll be making quite a bit of videos. That way we can help you when we have time, if we have time. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.